Hello and namaskar. I am Harshit Kapoor of class 11 from Snoor Valley Public School. All of my companions study in class 12. Their names are.
Hi, my name is Karthik Kaushal.
Hi, my name is Vivek Kumar.
My name is Anchal Thakur.
And my name is Mayank.
We are a 5-member team who have collectively collaborated on this topic, which relates to the development of a solar panel which changes its configuration in accordance to the changing trajectory of the sun's rays.
We have found in many areas that solar panels are not very efficient because of their improper placement. This leads to wastage of solar energy. So as to resolve this problem, our teammates have made a solar radiation detector that detects sunlight in real life, ensuring better performance and efficient use of solar energy.
Let me give you its details. Firstly, starting with the structure, we have used a base carved out of cardboard, and the same material has been used in preparing these two pillars. And now coming to the parts, I would firstly like to talk about this switch, which would initiate the circuit. The second part I would like to talk about is LDRs. These stand for light dependent resistors, also known as photoresistors. Their basic working principle is that in a brightly lit environment, their resistance decreases substantially, but in a dim environment, their resistance increases substantially, and it may reach up to 10,000 ohms. The third part I would like to discuss is this Arduino, where we have used and put our source code, which has been developed by our two members. And the third part, it derives its power from this battery. And now coming on to this servo motor, which rotates this whole setup, it receives output from this part, which is communicated via these wires. And now I would like to talk about its working. When we switch this on, the circuit gets initiated, and when light is incident on this point, it will slowly turn to this side towards the direction of the light, and as the light is changing its direction, its configuration will also change. And when we turn off this switch, the circuit gets disconnected and no electricity flows, and hence it stops. Now I would like my co-member to recapitulate.
The Rays Solar Detector offers an affordable and practical way to identify a proper solar placement for the panels. With the very simple components, this can detect the sunlight in a real time and can also detect the maximum exposure coming from the sun. This low-cost, low-maintenance device can help farmers, homeowners for a proper, efficient use of these solar devices. Thank you.
Hope you liked our demonstration. Thank you.